Hello everyone, welcome back. So I have an update to my most epic giveaway. Yes, it's gonna be. So originally, the first part that I showed, we had the antlered ferro rod set, and the antlers were gifted to me from Craig over at Georgia Trapping and Fishing, and the ferro rod was donated by Nathan 4071. And we have a piece of Florida good baconness, and we have some tinsmithing. We got a candle snuffer, and we have a little candle holder with a homemade beeswax candle, including the wick. So now, first guy, bam, within 2 seconds of the video being out, contacted me. And of course, it was James over at Harshman Hills. And you know he loves his moras. So he sent over a mora to add to the giveaway. Brother, thank you so much. You rock. So again, real quick, simple rules. Everyone that donates to this giveaway is going to be listed below. And in order for you to win, you need to be subscribed to all of those folks, okay? And I will check, including me. All right, so next we have a flint rock steel striker. How do you like that? So it's a flint and steel kit from Corn-Fed Experience, our brother Rob. Thank you so much, brother. You are absolutely awesome. Check this out. So obviously we got a tin, and the tin could be used to make char cloth. We got some bird's nest tinder material. We got this beautiful piece of quartz. That's what it looks like to me. And then we have this pretty cool striker here. This thing is beefy. Look at this bad boy. P.S. Cook. I dressed the face. I'll tell you, this thing has got to be 3/16 thick. It's a beefy one. So we have that, and then in here there's some canvas material to actually make char cloth. All right, so we got that, and then we have one more item to add. Handcrafted by none other than me. We got a fire poker. We got a piece of mahogany on the end. We got an antler finial with a brass pin, and the poker part is pinned in brass. We get a nice little twist in it. That'll go great with the antlered ferro rod set. Didn't I tell you? How epic is this getting? And I'm not even done making things yet. So again, I'll go over the rules real quick. You need to be subscribed to all the folks. We got so far Nathan, Craig, we got Rob over at Corn-Fed Experience, and we have James over at Harshman Hills. Now, there's something else coming, which is going to be really, really epic. And it's coming all the way from up north. And when it gets here, hopefully I'll have something else made, and we'll do another update. Okay? I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but I'm pretty excited to get it. So there you have it. I'll also add some Florida chert to this flint and steel kit. And you need to be over 18. Depending on where you live, if you're outside of the United States, you may not be able to get a knife in the mail. I don't know. Whatever rules are the rules. So we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. So there you have it. Update number 2 for the most epic giveaway. Oh yeah. Thanks for coming along. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. You know I'm gonna say it. I'm sending you all much, much love and appreciation, my brothers and sisters. I hope you're excited. I hope you're doing well. And we'll see you on the next one.